Today I'm going to be shooting with my good old air rifle, 22 caliber, quite nice, but there's a difference. I've removed all of the iron sights, never mind scopes, never mind sights, never mind anything to give you a proper point of reference, except the screws and features on the gun and the barrel. Good old fashioned style, just like they used to do when, you know, rifling and things like that had just been invented. It was just a matter of lining it up and thinking that's about right and pulling the trigger, hoping for the best. I'm going to be shooting some cans downrange, and they've also been loosely spaced together just to make sure, you know, you don't think I'm saying, oh yeah, I meant to hit that one when actually I was trying to aim at the one on the left or something. If I miss, you'll know. If I hit, you'll know. And I've just been using my old archery target over there for a bit of reference. It's been shooting quite high and to the right of what I used to be aiming at, but I should do a few things like, see this? I don't know what on earth it's meant to be. Shows how much I know about guns. But I've basically just unscrewed this, flipped this bit of metal upside down so it looks a bit more like a set of improvised iron sights, just for a nice bit of aesthetic effect. But what I'm using really to aim is this screw here. Although I have to say, my aim is somewhat screwed. Sorry, bad pun. I'll just give you a nice demonstration of what it's like now, though. I'm really sifting my head down quite a bit, because the sights are a bit too low and it aims a lot. It actually shoots a lot higher than it would show. So I have to sink my head down and make it sort of adjust so it looks higher on the target. As you heard there, got that can nicely. I think when I get my good old iron sights back on, it'll feel like I'm trying to point blank at a scope. Now that was a miss. That was a hit. Didn't knock it down though. Doing quite well with these improvised iron sights, if you can even call them that. Certainly are made of iron. Well, that was another miss. Yeah, so I'm doing most of the time is more sort of imagining the trajectory rather than actually trying to just aim and use a point of reference. So I sort of think, you know, aim at the middle and it goes up and to the right, so then I just aim down and to the left the same amount and then start hitting consistently. This is more purely sort of, I wouldn't call it guesswork, it's subconscious. That can really doesn't want to be hit. Doesn't help that the back screw is quite large, and when it's close to your eye it's even larger looking, so it can sort of adjust your aim a little bit and cause a bit of randomness. And it really starts to bug you as it starts getting that foggy look, and it's in your peripheral vision, but to an extreme, because it's so close to your eye. It's all the way back here and my head goes only a few inches away. I hope that I can hit that can again and knock it off. That was a wood shot on the stand that was keeping the cans up. That was another hit. Just doesn't want to die. Another hit. That'll do. Hope you enjoyed the improvised iron sights moment there. If you want more on shooting and whatnot, including a bit of armour destruction perhaps, Just watch the rest of my videos on my channel. Just saying.